Gyeon Mohs is a very hard and durable coating for professionals and experienced enthusiasts. Mohs is an advanced multi-layer formula that will protect your car against harsh chemicals, UV rays, and on top of that you get some great self-cleaning abilities. 80% of its hydrophobic properties will maintain on your car for at least 18 months. Although Mohs is a professional coating, it remains really easy to apply. First of all, make sure your car is properly washed and chemically decontaminated. We really advise you to do a one-step polish before starting your coating procedure. Put a liberate amount of Gyeon Mohs on your suede applicator and apply it in small section in a crisscross motion on the surface. Don't let it sit, but wipe off immediately. Gyeon Mohs is a multi-layer coating and requires a minimum of 2 layers, after 1 hour minimum. So you start your second layer where you started your first layer. After that, the car needs to sit inside for a minimum of 12 hours. Give it a final wipe down with Gyeon Cure before it leaves your garage. It's really important with any type of quartz coating that you work in a well-ventilated area with stable temperature and humidity. After you have applied the coating, try to double check with indirect or diffuse light to make sure you have no high spots left.